Okay, boys and girls, we're working on Unit 9, Lesson 3, How Can Rocks Be Classified? These are the important notes that you need to know. So let's get started. Uh, Things you want to add to your to your first page is rocks, igneous rock, metamorphic rock, and sedimentary rock. Here we have rocks as a natural solid that is made of one or more minerals. That's an Rocks can be classified by their form, and there are three types of rocks: igneous, sedimentary, and metamorphic. Igneous rock form when melted rock called magma or lava cools and hardens. Igneous rock can form deep inside the earth as magma cools slowly, and you get big crystals. Granite is an igneous rock that has big crystals. Igneous rock that also form in the Earth's surface when the volcano erupts and the lava cools. You can get those kind of rocks, and they have little crystals. And obsidian is a famous rock that forms that way. When cools slowly beneath the Earth's surface, large minerals form. When lava at Earth's surface cools quickly, mineral grains do not have time to grow, and so crystals remain small. Sedimentary rock. Sedimentary rock form when sediments or particles of the weathered rock get cemented or glued together under pressure. Sedimentary rock can contain fossils. Fossils are remains or signs of living things such as bones, shells, leaf, imprints, or fossil prints. Sedimentary rock. Some sedimentary rock, such as a rock salt or limestone, form through chemical processes when minerals dissolve in water come out of the solution. Limestone is often formed from shells or sea animals. These shells which are made of minerals, calcite, are crushed and cemented together. Describe how sediment changes into rock. First, the wind and the water break them off. Then those broken off sediments start to settle at the bottom, and every time it settles, it layers, and there's pressure from all the gravity above. Metamorphic rock. A rock that forms when earth process changes the texture and the mineral contents of a rock is called metamorphic rock. Metamorphic rock can form from high pressure, high temperature, or a combination of both. Metamorphic rock can also form when superhot fluids come into contact with the rock. Mountains can form when two large pieces of Earth's crust push against each other, causing rocks in the growing mountain to change. Pressure builds up and rock layers may bend, twist, or break. Over time, many of the rocks become metamorphic rock. The last part, the rock cycle. Any type of rock can become another type of rock. The continuous process of rocks changing from one type to another is known as a rock cycle. For example, after igneous rock is formed, weathering and erosion can break it down and it forms sediment, which will later form a sediment rock. Metamorphic rocks can be broken down into the same way to become sediments, which can be broken down, transported, and deposited into becoming a new sedimentary rock. Temperature and pressure can also transform any type of rock into a metamorphic rock. Any rock can be melted and cooled to form an igneous rock. Uses of rocks. Many monuments and statues, like a Lincoln's Memorial in Washington, D.C., are made from marble, a relatively soft metamorphic rock, which means they can carve it easily. Toothpaste is made from several minerals that are extracted from rocks. These minerals have natural cavity fighting properties. Many old buildings and monuments, such as the Egyptian pyramids, are made of limestone. Today, limestone is used in many houses and office buildings. Many building materials, such as cement and concrete, are made from rock. All right, now that you've highlighted, Let's move on to the next thing, which would probably be watch the rest of those videos.